In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock or freeze your Bank of America account, specifically focusing on your debit or credit cards. Freezing your account can be a useful tool if you suspect any fraudulent activity or if you've misplaced your card and want to prevent unauthorized use. Let's dive into the steps to do this quickly and efficiently using the US Bank mobile app. To get started, you'll need to open the US Bank mobile app on your device. Ensure you're signed in with your account credentials. If you've forgotten your login details, it's a good idea to utilize the password or username recovery options before going any further. Once you're signed in, you'll see your account dashboard. What you want to do next is tap on the Accounts tab. This will lead you to a list of your accounts, including credit and debit cards. Now identify and select the specific card you want to freeze. You might have several cards linked, so make sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've chosen the correct card, you're looking for a setting that says either Manage Card or Card Settings. It's important to note that the exact wording might vary depending on the version of the app you have installed. That's perfectly okay. Just keep an eye out for anything that is related to card management. When you've navigated to the correct settings area, look for the option that says Lock Card, or it might alternatively be labeled Temporarily Lock. Tapping this option will disable card transactions, effectively putting a hold on any new purchases or withdrawals. This is a valuable tool for maintaining control over your finances. If you have any concerns about your card being compromised, remember this locking action isn't permanent. It's designed as a temporary security measure. So whenever you're ready to use your card again, simply return to the same screen and tap Unlock or a similar option that might be reflected in your app. Once you do this, your card will be reactivated and you can proceed with your transactions as normal. By following these steps, you're taking proactive measures to protect your account, which is a significant aspect of managing your finances responsibly. Always use a secure network connection when accessing your mobile banking app, and keep your app updated to the latest version to ensure you benefit from the most current security features. So there you have it. You've learned how to lock and unlock your Bank of America card using the US Bank app. This simple yet effective process helps safeguard your account when the unexpected arises. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your financial accounts safely and effectively.